So next, I'm going to create a 24 inches template for a home plotter, which is answer to Lando question. Once again, I'm not familiar with the plotter, but I am really good with creating template in Adobe Illustrator. And if you have the Illustrator, you can actually create the template that fit your plotter, okay? And I will show you how to do that, Lando. However, right now, I'm going to try to figure out how much fabric length that we need. And Chloe actually can do that for me, okay? So I'm going to come over here to custom, like under property editor, and come to width and go to custom. Once again, guys, I'm not using this at all because it's not working. I'm just using this to check how much fabric or how much the artboard length that I need for the template. So to do that right here, I'm going to change the width to custom and I'm going to type in 24 inches, okay? Then I'm going to press return enter on the keyboard to confirm. Then I'm going to come over here, right click, and once again select nest all pattern. Then I'm going to once again just hover that over and I'm going to change the buffer spacing to 0.5 and I'm going to click on proceed. Okay, next I'm going to move this nest all pattern out of the way a little bit so you can see right here. Okay, so I'm going to click close. Alright, okay, so as you can see, the width is 24 inches and the length is 3.28 yards, okay? So I'm going to come down here to Google and I'm going to type in 3.28 yard 2 inches, okay? Then the result come to inches is 118.08, okay? So after that, I'm going to come to Adobe Illustrator, okay? Then I'm going to come over here to create new, click on it. Then I'm going to come over here to print, click on it. And you have several templates here that you can select. I'm going to select letter, okay? Then come over here. I'm going to name the file, okay? 24 IN by, let's say it was 118, I'm going to get 119 inches. And then I'm going to change this to inches, okay? Right there. I'm going to right here highlight it and type in 24 IN. And I'm going to press on the tab key. And then the tab key again and type in 119 IN. After that, I'm going to press on the tab key. And I want that portrait, which is perfect. And the artboard, I only wanted one artboard, okay? After that, bleed. So I want the bleed to be 0.25 IN, which is perfect. And I'm going to press down the tab key. And now all bleed is perfect. And color, CMYK color, perfect. High resolution, 300 ppi. And then default mode. I'm going to come over here, click on more setting, okay? So right here, you want to double check, make sure the bleed is 2.5. So when you print out, it won't cut off your pattern, okay? Next, I'm going to, or even when you want to take it to a store. In this case, for you, Lando, you want to print it with your 24 inches plotter, okay? So I'm going to select create. There it is. So this is the 24 inches template that we just created, okay?
Hi, I'm Rose Willie from encoderfashion. There is more information under this video. Bye!